To fix translation missing in Shopify, start by understanding the basics of Shopify translation and how it works. Shopify uses a system of locale files to manage translations for different languages. When a translation is missing, it means that a particular string or phrase is not defined in the locale file for the language you are using. First, identify the missing translation by looking at the error message or the page where the translation is missing. Note down the exact phrase or string that is missing. Then, go to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the online store section. From there, click on Themes and then click on the Actions drop-down next to your current theme. Select Edit Languages from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the language editor where you can manage translations for your store. Click on the language that is missing the translation and then search for the missing phrase or string. If the phrase is not found, you can add it manually by clicking the Add a Translation button. Enter the missing translation in the text box provided and click Save. If the phrase is already listed but the translation is missing, you can edit the existing translation by clicking on the Edit button next to it. Make sure to save your changes after adding or editing a translation. After adding or editing the translation, go back to your store and refresh the page where the translation was missing. The new translation should now be visible. If the issue persists, try clearing your cache and restarting your browser. To avoid missing translations in the future, make sure to regularly review and update your locale files. You can also use third-party translation apps to help manage translations and reduce the risk of missing translations. By following these steps, you can easily fix translation missing in Shopify and ensure that your store is properly translated for all languages.